Ooh, that's boring. Boring. Oh, this is something. The show about the creation of world-famous paintings. Wait a second. Exactly. I think I know what I'm gonna do. This is gonna be super cool. Wow! Would you look at that? I have to create something like this. A little bit of green, uh-huh. Great. Now, a little touch of red. Oh yeah, this is so much fun. It seems like something went wrong. Sue, some help, please?
Sue to the rescue. There we go. This is how it's done, Sammy.
I see. Be right back.
I wonder what kind of crazy idea you're up to this time.
Here's a little hint.
I don't think I really get it.
See all these amazing pictures? I'm sure you and I can remake them.
Ooh, sounds fun. So, which one are we gonna choose first?
You know, I think I'm gonna go with the Mona Lisa, except I can't decide what to paint it on. Ow! Wow, it's like the perfect canvas found me on its own.
I guess your fall was not a waste.
Okay, now we need to find beads for our paintings. Huh? Wait, what? What's that? Let's see. It doesn't make any sense. All right, let's try something else. This should work. Okay. It's still nonsense. Oh no, what's happening? Duh! Fire! Ugh, what is that scribbling, Sue?
It's not just scribbling. It's the Da Vinci Code. He used to write backwards. So, you need a mirror to read it. Check it out.
Whoa, I never knew there were so many mysteries in art. And it looks like I've solved the mystery of the bead's location. So I need to go straight through the dark forest. Then get on a boat and cross the ocean. Finally, I get on a spaceship and rush through the atmosphere. And here I am at last. See? I found the beads. Huh? What? Were they on our table the whole time?
Yep, this organizer was right here. And where were you? I nearly thought that you've changed your mind about this craft.
Speaking of our craft, do you know one of the great mysteries of the Mona Lisa? No matter what angle you look at the painting from, it's like she's always watching you. Ugh, that has got to be creepy, right?
Yeah, Leonardo da Vinci really was a brilliant man and a talented artist.
Besides his genius at drawing, he also practiced other things, like music. And in addition to art, he also did science.
That's what they call a versatile genius. Oh, can you bring me more green beads?
How about a green slime crown? That's better.
Yeah, your idea is really cool, but our mosaic won't work if you add slime to it. Okay, let's speed up a bit. And just like that, our first masterpiece is ready.
Not yet. We also need to fix the beads. There's gotta be something good inside. Okay, what do we have here? Oh my god! This is it. Don't thank me yet, Sue. I know you're in shock at my brilliance.
Oh, right. You're so creative and humble. Alrighty, let's see.
Yay! Our Mona Lisa is done. I believe that for more inspiration, we need to create the right atmosphere.
Oh, Sammy, but we won't see anything that way, and we have work to do.
Hold on a second! I'm looking for a source of inspiration. Ugh. It's part of the creative process, you know. I want to see if shadow figures will help me with that. Huh. And what if I add some colors?
Wow! Sammy, are you having a party or something? We're in!
No, guys. We'll talk later, okay? I'm working.
Fresh air is always helpful.
Sue, look, it's a shooting star. Whoa. Looks like it brought us something for our craft. Thank you, Star.
Wow! Blue beads. I know exactly what to use them for.
Van Gogh and I are so much alike. He painted Starry Night from memory, too.
He also said, "Why are the nights darker than the days if there is so much light in them?"
What a deep thought. Did you know he only sold one painting in his entire life?
Yeah, that's really sad. At least now his paintings are priceless.
Wow, it turned out great, Susie.
Thank you. Now it's time to fix our painting.
Oh, this is the most exciting part. Give us a thumbs up if you agree. Susan, I'm taking a break. I'm really tired. To avoid a creative crisis, I need to relax.
Sammy, are you okay there?
I'm fine, but now I need to change. Sue, my plan worked just like I told you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so next we'll make the Great Wave off Kanagawa.
Aw, you chose a very lovely painting. It's one of my favorites, actually. So, I guess your relaxing bath helped us a lot.
I nearly forgot. This will make the picture better. There we go. Now what do you say, Sue?
As much as I love dolphins, I'm afraid this one doesn't look good here.
Oh, you're no fun. Here, take this.
Now, that's more like it.
Come on! It's time to reveal the picture.
Here it is. Looks amazing, doesn't it?
Okay, since we are so good with art, I think next we should open our own art gallery.
Huh? Interesting. Photo shoot for a magazine, huh? Are you sure?
Duh, of course. I'll be the face of our gallery.
Actually, Van Gogh thought of this a long time ago. It's called a self-portrait.
Oh, really? Could he do this? Ha! I'm sure I look stunning this way. And he sure couldn't do that.
Too bad he can't see how well you pose.
I've always felt a special connection between Van Gogh and I. You're doing good, Sue.
Thanks, but I think we'd better speed up.
Wow, it's him!
It does look like it's Van Gogh himself, right?
The portrait of a true maestro. Many artists seem to have been inspired by strong emotions.
Then how about we try to bring up those emotions right now?
Yes, Sue, I'm working on it already. Come on, huh? The sound of rain, calm, no emotion at all. Great, now I need to find something else. Yeah, right, barking dog, not bad, but it's still not it. What else do we have here? Let's see. Oh, no. I accidentally deleted everything. I am so disappointed. Oh, that's right. Let's do the scream now.
Looks like you've proved Edvard Munch's main theory, evoking vivid emotions for inspiration.
That was a very extreme practice of a long-held theory. Oh, Sue, look, behind you.
Huh? What are you talking about, Sammy?
Oh, nothing. It looked like there was a bird, yeah.
Yeah, sure. Or you just used laughter instead of scream.
Gotcha.
Ah, Sammy, you little prankster. Let me fix it up a little bit with magic. Now we're talking.
Friends, this is just screamtastic. It's true art. All right, since I'm going to be the art director of our gallery, I have to look appropriate.
I'm sure you've already picked a couple of looks for this one, haven't you?
Oh, yes! And here's the first one. Look, I'm kind of an extravagant figure of art.
Bravo! You look bohemian.
And now, I look like a businessman ready to negotiate. Oh, you're so not ready for the next outfit. This way, I kind of blend in with my paintings and show what an artistic individual I am.
I'm afraid wearing that, you'll be confused with the girl with the pearl earring.
But you recognize that I'm a true genius crafting masterpieces directly from my mind, right?
Definitely. think this jewelry is the perfect choice.
Just check it out, would you?
Check what exactly? I don't get it.
You see, scientists are still debating whether it's a real pearl or just paint. I have to know.
I don't think it matters. The painting is undeniably marvelous.
All right, Sue. Just add the finishing touches then.
There we go.
Now it's time for the greatest connection ever.
Right, let's connect all this into one piece.
Yay! I can't wait to see the result.
And here's what we've got.
Amazing! Now we have to take a look at our portable art gallery. You know, Sue, I don't even want to share that art anymore.
But what about your art gallery and everything?
I'm gonna just enjoy this masterpiece all by myself.
Whatever you say. Friends, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more fun. See you.
Bye-bye, everyone. Thanks for being with us, and see you in the next video.